You have just RCA's answer to those who say it's too much trouble to set up a 16mm sound motion picture projector. If you were to set out to design a perfect projector, one that was everything you've ever wanted, where would you start? RCA started with this, the Model 400. A star in its own right and an industry standard for years. RCA's engineers kept the best features of them and improved on them. They took new ideas from our space-age technology and used them to build today's most modern 16mm projector. The lightest, brightest, most convenient, easiest to use projector ever. From RCA weather satellites, borrowed advanced ideas in optical systems and assembled a team of lamps and lenses that puts extra brilliant pictures on the screen, even in semi-darkened classrooms and auditoriums. From RCA's magnificent solid-state music systems, they took the latest advances in audio equipment design and developed a powerful, completely transistorized amplifier with RCA's famous security-sealed printed circuit. An amplifier designed specifically for reproduction of 16mm film sound. To complement the capabilities of its new amplifier, RCA sound engineers teamed it with a brilliant internally mounted speaker, a super-sensitive solar cell, and as an option, a pair of powerful column speakers for large auditorium shows. The result is outstanding reproduction of voice and music. Superb sound unmatched by any other 16mm portable projector. You're in for a real treat when you hear these passages on RCA's remarkable new 1600 projector. RCA also designed a brand new mechanism, starting with a rugged magnesium frame, which helps make the 1600 an easy-to-carry 30 pounds. They chose a husky, maintenance-free motor with lots of torque to bring the projector up to full speed without delay. Glass fiber reinforced timing belts, quieter running, longer-lasting gears with self-lubricating bearings that never need oil. A direct drive blower that keeps the projector safely cool, and an optional air filter that lessens servicing problems by protecting against dust and dirt. But RCA's engineers didn't stop there. They tackled one of the biggest problems in projection, the problem of providing smooth film take-up regardless of the film load, and came up with a unique solution, a fluid clutch that drives the reel so efficiently that the 1600 will handle any reel size, from the smallest to the largest, in any direction, with complete safety to the film and with no sound distortion, even at the end of an hour-long 2,200-foot film. To make the 1600 easier to use, RCA designed new reel arms that swing out with a touch and put both reel arms on top, so the projector can be operated from any flat surface. They even borrowed an idea from RCA computers and translated it into this new take-up reel, small enough to be stored inside the projector with a 15-foot power cord, yet able to hold more than a half hour of uninterrupted pictures, more than conventional reels of the same diameter. For the manual threading model, and every 1600 can be threaded manually, the designers have improved on the 400 simple threading operation with a swing-out lens for ease of threading and cleaning, and only 2 large sprockets with floating shoes that permit green or spliced film to glide smoothly through. Since the solid-state amplifier doesn't require any warm-up time, they connected it directly to the function switch so that sound comes on simultaneously with the motor as pictures appear on the screen. They designed this projector to run equally well in forward and reverse, with complete safety to the film. They even eliminated the nuisance of garbled sound when running backward. The amplifier cuts off automatically when film is reversed. And for the final act, the rewind, RCA kept the simplicity of the Model 400 with a rewind that's as fast and safe as it is easy to use. Even the little things, like the tilt and framing controls, received special attention. These positive acting controls make it easy to position the picture precisely on the screen. And speaking of precision, the rack and pinion focus control makes perfect focusing easier than ever. Lets you zero in on a sharper, clearer, better picture without touching the lens itself. Keeps fingers away from the light beam. It's annoying when a lamp burns out in the middle of a show, but it happens occasionally, and RCA made sure that you can replace the lamp quickly and easily to get the show rolling again with minimum delay. An automatic threader that feeds the film leader gently through the threading path, and then is disengaged so that it never touches the film. Can't cause jams. If at any time during the show you should want to remove the film, this automatic threader is the only one that never gets in the way. You can unthread and rethread the film as easily as with a manual threading model. It's called the RCA Safe Threader, and you can add it to the 1600 at any time. And so our little design exercise is complete. Almost. Now all we need is a case. A case made of lightweight, virtually indestructible RCA impact plastic. And there's our complete projector, the RCA 1600. The lightest, the brightest, the sharpest, the clearest, the smoothest, the easiest way to show 16mm sound motion pictures. Brand new from reel to reel, a product of space-age engineering by a world leader in electronics. Sound too good to be true? Well, don't just take our word for it. Try the RCA 1600. It's everything you've ever wanted in a 16mm projector. RCA, the most trusted name in electronics.